Priyank Kharge, Chittapur MLA and Minister of Electronics, IT/BT and Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, has highlighted the rapid progress of Foxconn's new Apple iPhone manufacturing unit at Devanahalli, calling it a benchmark for manufacturing growth in India. In a post on X, Priyank Kharge said the 20,000 crore rupees investment spread across a 300-acre campus has already created 30,000 jobs in just 8 months, the fastest workforce ramp up by any factory in India. The unit is targeting 50,000 jobs by 2026, with nearly 80% of the workforce comprising women. He noted that employees undergo 6 weeks of training before deployment on the shop floor, underlining the focus on skills and productivity. Over 80% of the iPhones manufactured are meant for exports, firmly integrating Karnataka into Apple's global supply chain. Kharge said Karnataka has emerged as India's leading electronic system design and manufacturing hub, ESDM. Accounting for 50% of electronic product companies, 40% of electronic design, and 10% of national electronics output, driven by the state's robust ESDM policy.